In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Claude AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get signed in and start using it right away. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well. In the address bar or your favorite search engine, type Claude AI. Look for the official Claude AI website in the results. It should clearly indicate you're on the official page before you proceed. Once you're on the site, head to the login option. This takes you to the sign-in screen, where you can choose how you want to access your account. You'll see options to log in using Google or by entering your email address. For a quick and seamless experience, I'll choose Continue with Google. Click that option and your browser will prompt you to select the Google account you want to use. Pick the correct account, then follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your identity or allow access so Claude can connect to your Google profile. Just continue through these steps, keeping an eye on any prompts your browser displays and complete them as directed. If you prefer not to use Google, you can enter your email address instead. In that case, follow the instructions that appear on screen. The process may include confirming your email or completing a quick verification. Either way, simply continue as prompted until you're signed in. If this is your first time signing up, you'll likely see an option to use Claude AI for free or to subscribe to a paid plan. Take a moment to review what's available and choose the option that suits your needs. The free option is great for getting started and trying things out. If you already know you need more features or higher usage, the subscription plan may be the better fit. Once everything is set, you'll land inside your Claude AI account. From here, you can start using it right away. Look for the message or prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or task clearly, then press Enter to submit. You can refine your request, ask follow-up questions, or start a new conversation at any time. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and make sure you're still signed in to the correct account. That's it. Open your browser, go to Claude AI, choose your login method, follow the prompts, select a plan if you're new, and then start entering your prompts. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your Claude AI account.